Welcome to 7190 Webster Church Road. The nearby city of Dexter has a lot to offer. There are some great restaurants doing exciting things every week, as well as the opportunity to enjoy professional musical theater performances at the Encore Theater Company. Beyond the arts, Dexter takes full advantage of its close proximity to some of the county's best parks and recreational areas. You'll find gorgeous Mill Creek Park on the northwest side of town, offering up great sunset views, and the all-new Border to Border Trail, which runs over 30 miles in total, connecting downtown directly to the Metro Park system through a series of lovely trails and boardwalks.